Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick video on how to take these covers off so you don't break them. So start by taking off this corner. That'll come off. It's connected right here. And then there's another one right here. They're gonna just kind of push from behind it, nice and gently. It'll unclip there. And then from there, you just pull it backwards because there's one more clip here. So here's what you're looking at. You got, a clip here, and then it just slides onto it here. So to put it back on, slide that back in. And then do everything in reverse. Clip this in first, and clip this back in. And that's it. Just be careful, these are super fragile.